This is Nano station in Sri Lanka, and we are about to take our train journey to Ella. It is a colonial hill station located 200 meters above sea level.
Train is coming.
This was a fun and memorable experience for us, and you will know later why.
5 minutes later.
Yeah, Ella. Thank you. Yeah.
And I'm a silly English. You can
Philippines, yes. Philippines. Yes. Oh, thank you very much. I'm very sorry for me. I'll have it. Thank you. Well, after 5 minutes, we'll be getting off in the train. From Nano to Ella, we experienced the amazing 3-hour ride through the lush tea plantations, rolling rice fields, and endless mountain views, which are truly just stunning and breathtaking. So I tell you a funny story. So we got on the carriage, we got on the train, we took our seats, and then the conductor came to us and asked for our tickets. Unfortunately, we couldn't find our tickets. We were looking, but we couldn't find it. So, the conductor said, "We are very sorry, or I'm very sorry, but if you don't have the tickets to show, then we will have to let you get off the train." What's your face? Another passenger told the conductor that he is sure that he saw us with our tickets earlier, therefore we have the tickets. So we tried to contact our driver / tour guide to ask him about the tickets because we thought that he might not have given it to us. Unfortunately, we couldn't reach him. And we were really worried because we're not sure if there is another trip or journey within that day. And if we missed that train, then we don't know what to do because our trip was already booked. Everything was booked already. Everything was arranged. Our itinerary are arranged already. So if we miss that one, then it's gonna ruin our itinerary. After that, after reaching the station, we had another 4-hour drive to the hotel where we were booked. So that time, we really thought that we'd missed the train because our driver for sure that time has left already for Ella to the station where he would pick us up. So we thought that, the conductor would just let us get off the train, but rather they didn't depart on time, but he took the number of the tour guide or slash driver and tried to call him. And luckily he was able to connect with him. So I talked to the driver, and the driver said that he's pretty sure that he's given us the tickets. So therefore the conductor is giving us a chance, giving us the time to look for the tickets. And fortunately, my husband found our tickets in one of his pockets. Yes, so we were laughing at ourselves, and we were really embarrassed because we were causing the delay of the departure of the train. Actually, the conductor is quite friendly and very helpful, but he was just doing his job because at a certain point there will be somebody who will check our ticket, and if we don't have our ticket, then he's gonna be in trouble. But yeah, the conductor was really friendly. Later on, he was talking to us and, laughing. So yeah, he was quite cool. And yeah, that was just a memorable journey for us. Sri Lanka is such a beautiful and fabulous place, and one of the highlights of our trip there is the train journey from Nano to Ella. Although you can take the train journey from Colombo, the capital of Sri Lanka, to Ella, which would take around 7 hours in total. So during your trip, you can walk around the carriage and talk to other people, talk to the locals. There's a toilet for you to use if you need to. And you can visit the food stand and buy some food, and you can also buy some snacks from the vendors who are selling them. It is said that the train journey in Sri Lanka is one of the best in the world. It is one of the most scenic and epic train trips that you can ever have. And yes, it is. So, that's our wonderful train trip experience in Sri Lanka. So if you happen to visit Sri Lanka, then embarking in a train journey is a must. And I highly recommend you include that in your itinerary. There.